Morning, people. Here we are again on a nice, sunny, brisk, windy day. But we shall persevere. This is the hive that Bob and I was looking at, and y'all got the video of it, but no sound. Let me check, make sure you got sound this time. Yep, got sound. Got sound this time. That's this one. That was in the Queen Castle that we put in a 5-frame box on on the 3rd, which is what, 4 days ago, put in a 5-frame nuke, and that's when Bob and I put her in here. And today, and I put, 2 empty frames in there with them. But anyway, the box was full then on the 4th and the 8th. Didn't see the queen. Oh, that's the day. Didn't see the queen. Take your feeder off. Okay, this is the frame that we put in there. It has eggs and nectar and bees looking at me, but I'll show you something else in a minute. Okay, this side over here has about the same thing, but if you notice, they didn't build it on the fishing line. And that's not their fault, that's Sam's fault. Because when I put it in, I didn't have it even up in the box. And this was pushed back a little bit, and that's where we get this fat frame. Now, it's got eggs in it, so there's nothing we could really do about it. So we're just going to stick it back in there. That was put in there on the 4th. Start with this side. It doesn't have eggs in it, I don't think, so we can set it outside. This one has drones, pollen, nectar, more drones. Side over here, this has nectar in it. That's what's on that side. Good frame. But they're going to need a bigger box. There's pollen gooey off my finger. We're going to set this one right here in front. And this is one. And it has brood, nectar, pollen, larvae, eggs. Don't see the queen. Don't see the queen, but both sides are pretty much laid up. Dropped our pollen, it just kind of hanging over the edge. This is the frame that we put in on the 4th. And it was on the outside, and I pulled it into the inside. And they're working on it a little bit, but not much. So that's what they're doing. But they'll finish it up, make this frame and foundation look just like every other one. And it will be in the middle. But we will be putting these in a bigger box. This one. I think this one had a dark queen too, which means she's gonna be hard to find. Oh no, we don't. There she is, right there. Right there. Right there. We're gonna catch her. Now she's going back down. She's right here, right now. The slidey down thing don't want to work. There we go. She's in there now. She's safe. But we'll mark her. But there is eggs and brood and pollen and all that good bee stuff in there. This is the other one that I just put in there on the 4th. Maybe we just went through this one. But it's got eggs and brood and everything else on it. And it's fat because I put it in wrong. So we don't want to cut that off because it's got eggs and stuff in it. So we're going to push this over here. Going to have mark the queen so she can dry before I put her back in. There it is. Because we don't want to stress her out too much, because when she gets stressed out, she won't lay eggs for a little while. So we're just gonna. People, I used to do this by hand, but I've cut both my thumbs. Lost a lot of feeling in it. She's not a dark queen, she's a light queen. And the markers I use come from Walmart. I don't like paying $8 for something that's $2.50. $2.79 I think now. But we're going to let her dry, blow on her a little bit, get her out of there. Then we're going to put her back in her hive. There she goes. Now this one I'll need to wash it before I can use it for a queen catcher again. We're going to push these over here. And we may be back today. We may be back tomorrow. Probably tomorrow because I got a lot I got to do today. Put it back there. We've got freezing weather on Saturday night. Well, not really freezing, but it's going to get down to 30s. Me and my bees, that's freezing. Put their top back on, put their doo-doo back on, put their feeder back in, and we're not going to feed them. We're going to do it with a bigger box. Got our top on properly. There's a little girl right there trying to figure out where to go. They had a door block. But that's them. This is hive number 150 out here in the middle of the yard, which comes from Queen Castle number 3. Had 1 cap queen cell. And that's it. Y'all give us a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. And all that good stuff. Y'all have a wonderful day today. Bye.